Hey friends, if your Windows laptop keyboard is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab, scroll down, select keyboard. Make sure all these three switches are off. After that, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Make sure that each and every single update is installed. Then search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on the first driver and update it. Right click on the second driver and update it, and basically update all the keyboard drivers. If this doesn't help, then if it is a battery operated keyboard, then check the battery and try connecting that keyboard to another computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.